What does emotional safety in a relationship really means? So have you ever been with someone and felt like your body was there, but your heart was not relaxed? This is usually not just an intimacy problem. It's often safety problem. Emotional safety is in intimacy means you do not feel judged, rushed, or pressured, or even emotionally alone. So it means you can be honest without fearing rejection. You can be honest with your partner without fearing rejection. And it means your body does not feel like it has to protect you. So when emotional safety is present, intimacy feels calmer. You can be more open, you can feel more connected, you can actually be present during intimacy. When emotional safety is missing, intimacy can start feeling tense, performative, like it's a job, like it's a duty, awkward, or even heavy. You may overthink. You may start overthinking, and you can also shut down. You may try to do everything right instead of feeling close. Like you're trying too hard. You're trying to do everything right. You're trying to be there, but your body has refused. So what does emotional safety look like in real life? It looks like being able to say, I feel nervous, and not being ashamed for it. It looks like being able to slow down. It looks like being listened to. It looks like feeling emotionally held, not evaluated. If intimacy has been feeling difficult lately, do not ask only, what is wrong with me? Also ask, do I feel emotionally safe here? That question changes everything. Okay? If this helped you, make sure to follow me and like my video, share my video for more videos on emotional safety and confidence and connection.